Hello everybody and welcome in this video. We're going to be talking about Mailerlite action automation for workflows. One of our tools that is going to help you automate actions directly from a workflow for your Mailerlite account. So let me show you how to set it up. Inside your sub account, come down here at the app marketplace and you search for the app, install, allow and install. There is a key required, which is the token. But before we go any further though, you have a smart cue here that's going to guide you how to get it. It's pretty simple. So let's do it together. Let's switch to our Mailerlite account. We come down here at the integrations, at API. We go at use, generate new token, and we enter the token name. Let's say my token. We make sure we check here. I have already understood the API token requirements set out in the terms of use. Create a token, and we copy, download. We make sure we download it. We switch back, we paste, we continue, we choose the plan, we come down here at confirm. I don't want to confirm because we're going to be charged, okay? After this step, you go on complete installation and you guys are ready to go. The tool is already connected to your Mailerlite account. You're now able to execute actions directly from your workflow for your Mailerlite account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video, guys.